I'm adding back the gym. And so I thought instead of giving you an outfit of the day, I would check in with you and tell you what I'm doing on my workouts. I'm going to be working out 4 days a week. Today is Monday. Today is an upper body day. So today I will be doing lat pull downs. I'll be doing military press. I'll do some rowing. I'll do some bench press. And then if I do 3 or 4 different exercises, I'm happy. I could do more than that if I want to do some curls or some tricep pull downs. I may, but I don't need to. Because the military press and the lat pull downs will work my triceps and my biceps. And I try to work opposing muscles. So if I do a lat pull down, I'm also going to do a military press, which pushes up. So I try to work the opposite movement. I may, but I don't need to. Because the military press and the lat pull downs will work my triceps and my biceps. And I try to work opposing muscles. So if I do a lat pull down, I'm also going to do a military press, which pushes up. So I try to work the opposite movement for balance. So that is the workout plan for today. But that's the planned workout. So I'm at the gym now and it's time to go in. I will add some infographics at the end of this to show you what each of these exercises looks like. So you'll know where to find them in the gym if you want to come join me and work out. I keep my gym workouts pretty simple and straightforward. I work my upper body one day, my lower body the next, and I have rest days in between. I never work the same body part 2 days in a row. I usually do 12 reps and I do 3 sets of 12 for each exercise that I do. So my workouts take usually 30 to 45 minutes at the most. And you can add cardio if you're not doing it already. I'm already walking all day, so I don't add cardio at the gym. I'm just strength training. I like to use the lat pull down machine because it works your back and the sides of your back, where a lot of times you get the overflow around your bra area. It also works your arms. And so this is a nice machine to use just for your arms and your back. The easiest way to figure out how much weight to use when you're first starting out is how much can you lift comfortably for 10 to 12 reps. And that's how much weight I lift. And then I take a minute or 2 in between each set and I'll do it 3 times. If I can do way more than 10 to 12 reps, it's not heavy enough. If I can't do 10 to 12 reps, it's too heavy. This next machine I'm using is the seated rowing machine, and I'm showing you how I do it here. You want to do as much weight as you can comfortably do without breaking form. You want to sit up straight, don't round your back, don't arch your back, and use the same ideas. Lift as much as you can for 10 to 12 reps. And if you can do more than 10 to 12 reps, go heavier. If you can't do 10 to 12 reps, go lighter. A lot of women worry that if they lift heavy weights that they'll bulk up and look like a man, and that's simply not true. Our bodies do not build muscle that easily. It's very hard to bulk up as a woman. And once you've hit menopause or you're over 50, it's even harder. So that is an old myth. The women that you see that are super bulky are usually on steroids, or they've been lifting heavy weights and eating lots of protein and are often on steroids even then. And it just doesn't happen quickly. In order to bulk up, you've got to consume a large amount of calories and you've got to lift heavy weights for years. It doesn't happen in a few weeks or months. It's a very slow process. And when you're over 50, it's really just not going to happen. So why bother at the gym if you can't build muscle or get bulky? Well, one, most women don't want to get bulky, but we do want to preserve the muscle that we have so that we can function well, so that we can lift heavy things and rearrange our furniture and lift our grandchildren and maintain our bone density. Our muscle, the more we lift weights, the stronger our bones are. And as you get older, that's really important because
lifting weights and it doesn't just work your muscles, it also makes your bones stronger. So strong, healthy bones and strong, healthy muscles as we age make life better and make it easier. And we want to have balanced strength. You don't want to have really strong chest muscles, but no back muscles. So you want to have balance in everything.